Hey guys, welcome back. This one's pretty bloody exciting actually. It's been about 18 months in the making, and we're off to the Three Kings on board Pelagic, Ariki Nui. So she is an epic looking boat, absolutely pumped with this one. We're just loading up all our gear now. We got plenty of it, got the full crew. Absolutely fizzing tomorrow morning, 6 o'clock. Boys are leaving the wharf. We've got a couple of crew members here. Big Ginge, he's half disabled. Dan's the man. We've got a couple other Johnnies up in the cab over here. This is Koro Andrew. Hey buddy! And we got Jack, the bit of a munter. So yeah, we got a few more crew at the back here. Currently trolling our way up to the Kings. Hopefully catch about 7 marlin today. Hopefully catch something, but looking forward to getting up there. And tonight we're going to try and catch a whole lot of liveys and deadies for a bit of bait tomorrow, which will be kingy day hopefully. Yeah, we got the lures in. Lures in, teasers, dredges, and we've got about 75 miles to go. We've departed from Wanganui, and yeah, she's not a bad day so far. Weather wise she's pretty good, maybe about 10 knots if that. So yeah, it's actually getting better as we've gotten up further as well. We're currently just about 200 meters of water off Hohora, and yeah, nosy on up, so fingers crossed we'll have a bit more of an update on the way up for you. Right, everyone's sort of having a bit of a break in here. Everyone's wiped out already. We haven't actually even caught a fish yet, and everyone's carked it. We're about 35 miles away now. It's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon almost, and plan is head to the King Bank, tow some lures around. There's been quite a few stripies caught up there the last couple of weeks, so hopefully knock over one of those today. And I'm bloody fizzing, man. Look forward to this for a long time now. Let's go.
He's still there, he's still there. He's still there. Tease him. Stop. He's still there. Oh.
Yeah. Bloody fish fell off again. Fuck, that was pretty cool. We got to see that come up, smash the lure. Oh, we're gonna do a quick turnaround here and hopefully get back onto it. That's bloody exciting. We have made it to the King Bank. It's about 7:30 at night. It's such a beautiful evening up here actually. We haven't come across anything else other than our marlin and shark on the way up. That was bloody exciting, seeing that marlin in on the long rigger for quite some time before it ate. Hopefully the GoPro will pick that up alright, but we've made it up to the King Bank. Troll around here till dark. Kale's just preparing a roast pork for dinner. Check out this for feed. Holy, we have made it to our anchorage for the night. No marlin unfortunately. Bloody beautiful night. Bloody misty though. Got these rigs up. Rigged up, ready to catch some squid fish. Yeah, a couple of boats out here. We're going to be up for the next couple of hours tonight catching all of our bait for tomorrow, so it's going to be a big night.
When it gets to the surface, you want to just pole it in. Like wind the rod tip right down to it and just pole it in. Don't worry about everyone else.
Mumsy's on the first squid of the night, hopefully.
40 kilos, mate.
Good work, Mum. First fish of the trip.
Not bad, eh?
Is this a bit bright?
Pass the rod over.
Squid around
Oh,
here, son.
are you on too?
Yeah. Pole it straight to me.
Yeah. Woo! Yeah.
Number one. Beauty. That's one kingfish. That could be a 40 kilo bait there.
Oh,
I like it when they squid.
that one's spooning on my leg.
Oh, another one in the boat. Look at that.
Karate chopping boat like this.
Quite shallow or deep. Oh, yeah, true.
This is pretty exciting. Didn't take long. We've been here for about 3-4 minutes. We've got to fill up the bucket twice.
Hey, young squid fishing.
Good work, brother. Yeah. Well, good morning. It's about 2 o'clock. Morning vlog.
Yeah. It's a bit quiet.
It's very, very quiet. We've caught about 10 squid. We're supposed to have about 60. But at least we got some. We just had a few there. We landed 2 and lost another 2 we thought were going to be on. But yeah, I think we're leaving at about 5 o'clock this morning, so we've got another couple more hours to try and catch some more squid. But it's very, very hard work this morning, so looks like the boys will be jigging all day today. But that's alright. Andrew's trained up. He's pumped.
Yeah, can't wait.
Look at these guns.
Can't wait to get into it. Yeah, boy.
Yeah. Anticipation is high this morning. Got the crew waiting, ready to go.
Yeah, mate, I'm going to win the 140 bucks. Thanks for coming.
Yeah. We're all putting 20 bucks in for whoever catches the biggest kingy.
So
I'm betting on myself, hopefully. Andrew's betting on himself. Going to be 2 baits for kingies, 1 rod for bait fish, and 1 jig. Some pretty not bad looking sign down there. Bit of brekkie of champs over here.
Oh, you know how this bro, peanut butter gains, baby. Gains.
High protein, high fat.
Much, bro. Good for slaying fish. What's a fish?
Get him. You gonna hook up first, bro? Jack's confident he's gonna peel into the first fish of the morning. If I know how to jig anymore. Some new braid, some 100-pound Viper braid. Do you feel nervous?
a little bit. I might don't fuck it up.
The unknown. Are you already on the bottom? Oh, eh? Might be. Yeah. Like, look at the man go. First time jigging in about 2 years. What's happening over here, brother?
Oh, she's all on, mate. She's all on.
Andrew's on bait catching duties. So far he's not catching much bait.
I've got a couple of bites.
Oh yeah, here you go. Don't strike, mate, or I'll whack you in the back of the head.
I look pretty. Oh, you tell him, bro, so I don't have to.
Oh, you're on. He's first fish hooked up other than a squid. How does it feel, bro?
It's big.
It's like catching a snapper.
It's freaking massive.
Oh, you lose it. Amateur hour. Jack's on. I'm on brekkie. What do you reckon, horse?
PUEs.
It's pretty good service on this boat. We don't have to do anything really. Just do what we're told. We've got brekkie provided. 40 seconds in. He's straining. Smallest kingy up of the 3 kings, I hear.
They don't even make it on the boat.
Mum's on. Got good directions from the decky and the skip here. Across.
You're coming under. Right over to the other side now. Come over here.
Good work, Mum. Pulling any line?
Nah.
Oh. Tag and release. Oh, well, you only need the big ones anyway.
Yeah.
Bugger. What's happening over here, bro?
Oh, just rolling the fish in, buddy.
Oh yeah, look at that, nice.
Yes, there's some bait.
Yeah, that'll do. It's going to be our bait. Not very often you use those for bait, but up here you do. We've got a mat on the jigging now. Slow mode. Doesn't want to get tired too fast.
The bottom very fast.
Straight out the ocean and onto the hook.
Hey, trade secrets here.
Oh, sorry, we can't show you that now.
Alright, ready to go.
Look at that. That's a good looking bait. Get the bass, boy.
We're on the bottom jigs, right?
Oh, yeah. On the bottom.
Nah,
Little peewee.
little fish.
Little golden snapper. That looks like it actually. Yeah.
Yeah, it is. It is fast now, bait. That's a good bait.
That's a good bait. It's pretty exciting. She's all go. Only been here for what, 10 minutes? A couple of drops. I love that sound. It's got heaps of drag on full if you need to go, eh? Right on the bottom. Could this be his bass?
That doesn't fucking go up,
Have to
bro.
hit the button. Oi.
I am, this was on the bottom. Yeah,
Oh!
fuck, that's wretched.
That was a heavy fish.
Yeah, it was heavy.
Bugger. Kingy, eh?
Big horse.
That's a weird fight.
That's weird. I reckon it is a kingy. It's a little one.
Oh, the old orange JC jig doing the damage. It's got more bites than the pink one today.
Good, eh?
Resting up.
Resting, mate. Resting my shoulder.
Oh, there's an
Oh,
ounce.
he went around everyone, the bastard.
That's the smallest one yet too. Not even legal.
Small ones are just a pest, eh?
Matt's finally hooked something half decent. Still on for now. Good bit of weight there. Might be a good.
It's a king, yeah.
You reckon? I reckon it might be. It's got some good kingy tail beats now, eh? Hooked it sort of right on the bottom, so it could be a bass, could be a kingy. It's not really doing any big runs, eh?
Nah, did a couple.
It's just heavy. It's making it look like hard work. Oh yeah. That's a bit more respectable.
More of a proper one.
First good kingy of the trip. Yeah, hold him up.
Look there when you get that.
Nah, we'll get a bigger one than that.
There you go, boy.
Not bad. Andrew has finally hooked something decent.
Oh, you took that off.
Hooked soft.
Poke it on the end.
Poke it on the end of what? Mark's losing the plot already.
Colour is white, mate.
He's struggling a bit.
Yeah, I'm just trying to make it. Yeah.
If you're lucky, it might be legal.
It's 140.
Oh, not bad.
Swallowed it.
Pretty bad and now
Well done.
Okay.
Yeah, boy.
Made it look like hard work, that's for
I
sure.
can feel like hard work. Oh, time to go again, is it?
Right, we almost at our next spot. We are about a mile out. So let's go. I'm feeling good about this spot. The crew's all amping, ready to put these baits in the water.
We did it.
Well, Tom's finally landed something. He took about 20 minutes to wind it in. Now we got a double or nothing. Dan the man is hooked up. What colour jig's that on? The green jig? About 100 metres deep here, so she's hard work. Was it on the bottom or?
That's pretty much on the bottom.
Yeah, might as well wind up.
Still got a fucking long way to go too.
Oh yeah!
The hard one.
Chuck the rod under your arm.
Nice, Dan.
Oh yeah, boy! That's a bit of a goal. Now we're talking, boys.
That's a better one. Took a while to get on. We're into it.
That's a big fish.
Yeah, it's a goodie, boy. Yeah, bro. Gonna send him on. Good work, brother.
Yeah, well done.
Well done. On the old green machine. JC jigs. Not bad. They put up a good scrap for you. Andrew's hooked up again. Making it look like hard work yet again as well. Oh yeah, that's a fatty. That's like you. That fish is a kingfish version of you, bro.
Whoosh!
Good work, bro. Nice
Yeah, buddy.
Send him home.
Here we go.
Yeah, boy.
Spin this fucker around.
Got a little baby on here.
Here, spin this around, buddy. Oh, good. Go,
Come
mate.
on, Matt. You can do it.
Soft cock.
Only 90 metres to go, bro.
I don't think I've gotten 5 metres.
Remember, it's just a fish.
Matt's on a bit of a beast here. How do you feel, boy?
This is a beast, bro.
Bass, I reckon. Hard on the bottom, was it?
Yeah, but fishing the bottom.
Matt's been fishing the bottom all morning.
Lost one.
Lost one beast on the jig earlier. Now he's got something big on here.
Showing him how it's done, eh, bro? Look at
He's
this.
got me back on the GoPro.
This is some fucking content,
We'll
cuz.
just film each other for a while, mate.
It's got me buckling, eh?
It's been a pretty slow morning, by my standards anyway. See some things are happening now. Nice fish, bro. Whatever it is.
Still got plenty of pull.
Still got a bit, eh?
What about yourself, bro? You got to put a pull left?
Oh, I'm running out of steam, bro. Need a beer. Need a rum.
This is epic. Beautiful condition.
Look like what you were targeting.
It's like a kingy.
Might be your big kingy, bro.
Oh, cut the line. Need to go.
Cut it off, cut it off.
Right, hold it under the arm, underarm, right out. If he wants to dive under, you can hold it right out.
Oh yeah, boy. That's a good kingy. Oh, hey!
Oh, he's just on. Better stay in. Fuck it. Don't you shake it out.
Scrappy size, bro. 20 to 25 kilos.
Oh, nice.
That's a beast. Shit,
Nice.
yeah. Good work, bro.
He's got me pretty folded, eh, now.
Good work, cuzzy.
Thank you, mate.
Woo! He's a fatty, almost as fat as you. Rough measure.
Be about 24. Hold it still, would you?
Shall we?
Oh, yeah. 25.
Oh, there you go. Ready?
See you later.
That was a hell of a scoop.
Measured up about 25 kilos on the Gary Longley measuring sticker. Bloody epic. We got these bloody cool fish measuring stickers from Gary Longley at Gary Longley Fish Art, and got measurements along with estimated weights for that measurement. So that one came in at 125, estimated around that 25 kilo. Bloody good fish, they're starting to get a bit bigger, so we can get that 30. Marcus is hooked up to a beast.
Jesus Christ, fuck, I'm straining, bro.
Hey, no swearing, bro, she's for YouTube. So you're supposed to lift the rod and turn the handle? Do you want one of those phone things instead, or they're good? Nice kingy by the looks there. Woo. Seems like a little bit more is starting to happen now, eh? Going on this side of the boat. Jack's about to hook up. You want me to push that hernia back in?
Might have to stop for another shit.
Stop for another shit. Oh, we'll catch up when we're closer to the top. We're getting a bit closer now. Must just be able to see it, surely. Can't be far. Follow it around this way, Mark. Oh, Jack's hooked up. Jack's on too, yeah, boy. On the little beast. Oh, that's a nice fish, Mark.
That's a beauty.
Oh, Jack's on a goodie. Bit of a heavy little hook. Look at this man with his size small shirt on.
A peewee one.
Free spool it.
This kingfish that we just caught there is actually going to be a bait for some harpooker and bass later on. Gonna hold them up. Be rude not to, eh?
Yep.
Nice work, Mark. Nice fatty.
Change up, man.
What's Jack got going on over here?
70 centimetre one.
Got it going now. Right, here we go. We are doing some deep drops now. Me and Matt are doing the manual jobs. A couple of other Johnnies on the electrics. First drop for me. Bit of anxiety coming through. Oh, there we go. Look at that on the bottom.
There's more of a guy coming out.
Here we go. How long do I let them eat it for?
Slowly wind into the bites. Push on itself. Loading up.
It was.
Yeah, all you do is just slowly wind into
Still
the
there.
bite.
It's fucking sacking it.
Just slowly biting. As it keeps fighting and it's over and then like faster it's the same. Timmy's on.
Pretty heavy now, eh?
Hooked up, bro.
Yeah, bro, rod's hardly bending and it's heavy. Oh, well, we got something on here. Not the 400 kilo bass we're going for.
Golden snapper.
Fuck, we got a bit of a double.
Triple.
It's going to take a bit longer to wind this lure up now, eh? We'll catch up close to the top, I say. Ah, little
Yeah.
Whoosh!
Yeah.
Nice. Let's go.
Here you go, Timo. What's happening?
What do we got here? Looks like little books, little bird.
Holy, that's a good fish.
Nice, buddy. I'll hold them up, eh? There we go. Put up a bit of a scrap on the manual wine. Be a nice tasty fella.
We should get a foot.
Gonna hold your one up.
Yeah.
Well, it's been about 10 minutes. We've got our fish and Andrew's still going.
Yeah, you got small fish.
He's doing the tough yards here, manual winding the electrics. Good work, bro. How's that forearm? Pretty pumped.
It's blowing out.
Pretty similar sized fish so far. Hopefully the next drop should be a big old bass. Pretty fun dropping in a couple hundred meters of water. You never really know what you're going to get. It's good fun on the manual gear too. Makes you really work for it. We might have to touch base in maybe half an hour and it should be closer to the top then. And here's the fish. Oh, what have we got? Another blue nose. Oh, that's a little bit bigger, I think. Oh, that one's a bit heavier. Woo! Good work, bro. Woo! Hey, bro's on. Trusty Macaira, manual wine. Stay hard. Stay hard.
Manual's always catching up.
Yeah, I'll put a weight there. It didn't take long to eat that bait. Well, it appears Matt's the only one with a fish this trip. Almost there. The boys are winding up. He's going to do a re-drip. So they've got the electrics cranking up.
Come back to where you were.
Thank you. Okay, boy.
Well done, Matt.
Need to grab the sinker, bro. Good work, Bolt. Mean hit the special weight, beauty. That's a mean one.
No, that's a pretty good one. Yeah, that's
Hold
a good
him up.
size one. We don't really get the 30 kilo ones up here. I've never seen one that big though.
Mark, how does it feel, bro?
Good, mate.
Concentrating hard.
Yeah.
Stop.
Nice. Another bass. Good work, Mark. Good work, bro.
Hard work, flicking that switchback with the boards.
Yeah. Good work, Mark.
All right, mate.
First bass.
Yep, first bass.
Sweet.
Nice.
In the bin. Woo-hoo-hoo.
Cheers.
Yeah, boy. Dropping down. Yeah. What will this drop bring? The unknown of deep sea fishing is always pretty exciting. Matt's pumped. Always keen, bro. Took him a while to work out what he's gonna say. Bands on. What's that, boy? Woo. Bit of a harvest mission for the freezer. Looking forward to some deep sea fish. Mum's one's still harassing her bait.
Brendan to come along and eat it.
Give it a little whine. Keep going. 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 Bit of a bust up here. See, nothing too major. Dan's getting full stretched here. Got 3 lines and a fish. Fuck yeah, a bit of weight on there. Oh, you got a bass, bro.
Oh, bloody good. And 2 other lines.
Yeah, boy, Dan's first bass. Woo. Nice little eater. So what's starting to lose the plot, all in there playing a game of cards, sort of arguing with each other, looking pretty serious. Tom looks like he's about to win.
Haven't even started yet, but I've got the winning hand right here.
Started yet, no one knows how to
Don't
play.
you bloody worry,
I don't even know how to play the game.
That's why I'm going to win.
Man looks awfully confused down there.
He doesn't.
Get closer. I've got no idea what I'm doing.
Say something where you make triples.
Yeah, you can put the trophy down as a single. So is it two the highest?
Yeah, it's been a decent day on the briny today and everyone's sort of starting to go a bit crazy. Kale's out here rigging up some baits and we're going to try for a sortie tonight, so I'm absolutely pumped for that because yeah, I want to catch a sortie pretty bad. So fingers crossed we can come across one of those bad boys. Bit of a messy operation. We managed to catch a few squid last night, so we're going to use those for baits. Let's go. We've still got another about 3.5 hours before we get to the spot, but fizzing, absolutely fizzing. Been training up my domesticated house puppies the last couple of days. Ruff, ruff. Yeah, anyway, a couple of interesting characters there. Had a pretty mean dinner, scotch fillet and chips, eggs. Boys said well, sortie bait now, about to put it out.
40 times.
Yeah, I don't think you can make a video out of that, eh?
We made a rather decent run, about 4 hours it took us to get here. Yeah, the weather was pretty average in places, big current lines, but it's beautiful out here. Drift around all night and then early hours of the morning we'll head back into the islands for a day of kingies and diving. Here we go, Kale's about to chuck the bait out. Show us what we got, bro.
Got a float bait here, double J hook rig, the kill rig.
Yeah, boy.
So we'll throw this out and then it's going to be sitting down roughly 20 meters below the surface. We found we catch less sharks, well I believe we catch less sharks with a bait a little bit deeper.
There we go, that's some good knowledge because I don't know full about these fish, so let's see how we go.
You make it.
Don't really know what we might come across. Anything will be exciting though, especially when it gets dark. We're going to put 2 baits out, one's going to be down, one's going to be on the surface, and hopefully one of them will get eaten. The first bait is deployed.
Yep, he's tight.
Be tight, boys.
Line up now, we're tight, boys.
You better wind this one in, bro.
Yeah, someone wind that in.
I'll get this one in, bro. You right? After you.
Someone just keep an eye on that. You can do it.
You right?
We are on, boys.
Pretty cool, it's big. Alright, I've just woken up and I've just come out to this. Turn that down, bro.
This one needs a bit more length, bro.
We're on, boy. Woo!
As soon as the moon came out, eh? Bit pretty hard and then bug it off for a couple of seconds and then came back. Good heat shakes there.
Keep it here for now. We can always go up later in the flight.
Yep.
That looks like it's awesome.
That's a pretty exciting boat.
No, it's big. Come on, this easy. Well, it's like when he come tight, hey? He just sat there, wasn't pulling any line. I'm thinking it's a bit early to get them, but if we get the chance, we'll take it.
Easy. There's a lot of colour, that's for sure.
It was sort of too easy coming to the boat.
Yeah. That's a big shark. Fucking bronzy.
Got both of my hooks.
Bugger. Bugger. No swordfish. Good practice though. A bit of excitement at about midnight.
I swear.
Bugger. Oh well, we'll go again. Just about ready to chuck the baits back out. It's a little bit windy at the moment, but hopefully this drift will be the sortie because that shark was a bit of a bugger. Got everyone out of bed though. Going again, she's about 2:55 in the morning. We were supposed to leave at 3, so 5 minutes to spare. Hooked up, brother. Oh, there he goes. Get him, son. Get him. What's the time? 3 o'clock. Yeah, bro, bang on. It's like 2:55. We are literally out in the middle of nowhere here. We drifted way off this canyon, so it could be anything right now. Hopefully it's target species.
That's weird.
Oh, we're just about here. We're very, very close.
Shark.
Ah, fuck's sakes.
What about blue? Holy, it's a big one.
That's a fucking big It's quite possibly the biggest blue shark everyone's ever seen. 150 kilos maybe. Job impossible. Bugger. Oh, bit of fun. Yeah. That was a weapon of a blue shark.
These two are.
Normally like they are these cute little bloody blue things, and that thing was a fucking weapon. Shark catcher number 2, eh? We jinxed that too, I think. Talking about sharks, eh?